Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a timing belt on a Mitsubishi Montero Sport. First, gather all necessary tools and parts, including a new timing belt, tensioner, and water pump. You'll need metric wrenches and sockets, plus a specialized timing belt tensioner tool. Remember to disconnect your battery and drain the coolant before you begin. This critical maintenance helps prevent serious engine damage, so let's get started. Now, let's move on to disassembly. Begin by removing the accessory drive belts, the cooling fan, and its shroud to gain clear access to the front of the engine. Next, carefully detach components like the alternator, power steering pump, and the AC compressor bracket, leaving their lines connected if possible. Then, remove the crankshaft pulley bolt, the crankshaft pulley itself, and all timing belt covers. Finally, align the crankshaft and camshaft timing marks to the top dead center position, which is crucial for correct reassembly. With everything disassembled, it's time for installation. Start by installing the new water pump and the auto tensioner, ensuring their bolts are torqued to 17 to 18 foot-pounds. Next, carefully route the new timing belt in a counterclockwise direction, beginning at the crankshaft sprocket, making sure there's no slack between the sprockets. Use your specialized tensioner tool to apply 39 inch-pounds of preload to the tensioner pulley. Finally, tighten the tensioner pulley bolt to 35 to 36 foot-pounds, and then remove the auto tensioner's setting pin. After installing the new belt, perform crucial final checks. Rotate the crankshaft 2 full turns clockwise, ensuring all timing marks realign perfectly. Wait at least 5 minutes, then verify that the auto tensioner pushrod extends within its standard value. If everything looks good, you can begin reinstalling all the components you removed, including the timing belt covers, pulleys, and accessory belts. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals. Finally, refill your coolant and reconnect the battery. You've successfully replaced your timing belt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.